Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Karina, and I normally don't look like this. It's early in the morning-ish. It's 9:04. Today is Thursday, which means it is filming day for me. I decided to do a get ready with me and let you guys get ready with me for the day. I don't really have any specific plans for the day, but I do just want to get my day started. I already have my coffee with me. I've already listened to my podcast of the day. Today I listened to The Real Truth About Making Your Dreams Come True with the Law of Attraction. You guys, I've been really into listening to this guy. His name is Robert Zink. He's really good, and I really enjoy listening to him. If you guys have a podcast on your iPhone, listen to him and let me know. But I also wanted to mention that in today's Get Ready With Me, I'm going to be using all drugstore products. I have some new products. Some products are just things that I've had collected in my makeup collection. So if you guys want to get ready with me and talk and drink some coffee, then go ahead and grab a snack and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize. Now this isn't a drugstore moisturizer, but I haven't been able to find one that has hydrated my dry skin as of lately. So I'm going to try this one. This is the Patchology Aqua Flash Daily Gel Moisturizer. It contains hyaluronic acid, which hyaluronic acid is amazing for holding or retaining water on your skin. And it has neem tree extract and aloe vera. Aloe vera is also really good for moisturizing. So I think I'm going to like this one. Look at that. It's literally like a gel formula. So I'm just going to apply this to my skin. That way, once I am ready for my base, my skin is nice and moisturized and nourished and hydrated. Oh, this smells so good. I'm going to move on to priming my skin. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Prep and Blur stick. I haven't used this in a minute. I have times where I will pick it up because I truly do like this stick. The only thing that I would have to say that I don't like about it is that it does dry out. So if you don't use it for a while, it kind of like it hardens. So I have to like scrape off a little bit of the top and then apply it on my skin so I can actually see the primer. Otherwise, it does this weird thing where it just like glides everywhere. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the foundation. I like to do my foundation first and then my brows because I don't have to worry about messing up my brows with my foundation. And this is the one I'm going to be using today. This is the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Foundation in Light Tan. And I am going to color correct because my under eye circles are bad, you guys. I don't know what the hell is up. I have been losing weight lately. Last time I weighed myself was a few weeks ago, okay? And I noticed that my jeans were fitting a little bit loose, and I didn't really think of it. I've never been one to like obsess over losing weight. I love food way too much. But I noticed that my jeans were starting to fit me big, and I weighed myself in the scale, and I'm only 5 feet, okay? So for my height, I should be at the weight that I am now, which is 121 pounds. And I haven't weighed 121 pounds since before I gave birth to my daughter. And I don't know why I'm losing weight. I really don't know. I'm not dieting. I'm not exercising. The weight just came off. I do notice though that my metabolism has increased tremendously, and I don't know why, because again, I'm not doing anything in specific, you know, to purposely lose weight. I'm not complaining. But yeah, I feel like ever since I've been losing weight, my under eyes have gotten really bad. I don't know if that's just like me, but I've noticed that they've gotten a little bit worse. So I hope it's nothing that has to do with like my health, because I feel fine. I don't feel sick. I don't feel ill, but you never know. So if you guys have any idea of that, let me know. Just don't scare me, okay? Okay, now that we have that, I'm going to move on to the foundation. I have my little LA Girl face palette right here. I'm going to use my beauty blender. This is the Maybelline one. You guys know that I love this foundation. I mean, this beauty blender. It's so bomb. Have you guys started your Christmas shopping? I think I'm gonna go actually today to do some Christmas shopping because I know myself, and if I don't start now, I will wait until literally like the day of Christmas. Okay, not that much, but I am a big procrastinator. Let's move on to the concealer. I think I'm actually just going to do my entire face and then I'm going to leave the eyes towards the end. For my concealers, I'm also going to be mixing two. This is the Kokie Cosmetics Be Bright in Medium Beige. And this is Light Tan by LA Girl Cosmetics. I love the consistency of these concealers, the LA Girl. They're so creamy and they are a little bit thicker of a formula, which I actually like because it gives you more coverage. So I just wanted to say a quick thank you to every single one of you that left me such sweet comments on Monday's video or Tuesday's video. I told you guys that I was feeling really down because my mom had left. She came from Mexico towards the end of October and we had her here for an entire month. She just left on Sunday and I really didn't want her to leave. I wish I could keep her here forever. Oh, what is that? Okay, there we go. I really wish I could keep her here forever, but my stepdad is back in Mexico, and then my grandparents also live in Mexico, and my mom is the one that takes care of them. So she has a lot of obligations to go back to, but now, you know, we have the hope that we can see her again, and it's just all about saving some moolah and bringing her back to Mexico, or bringing her back here with us. I am going to bake using the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. This is in translucent. If you guys didn't know, or I don't know if all Ultas carry ColourPop, but my local Ulta does carry ColourPop, and I love it because I love ColourPop. It's so affordable. There we go. And I think while I bake, I am going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to let you guys watch me do them. I don't want to talk too much while I do my brows so I can concentrate. But I am going to be using my Morphe products. This is the Morphe Pomade in Chocolate Mousse. And then I go in with the pencil. And then to top it off, I use this translucent gel brow thing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to let you guys watch. I might fast forward this a little bit and then we can proceed on with the regular schmegular makeup tutorial. I'm going to move on to my bronzer. I think I'm going to use this one today. I haven't used this in a hot minute. This is the Wet n Wild's limited edition bronzer in Queensland. This was their Dragon of Fire and Ice Dragon, something like that, their collection. And I really like that bronzer. So I'm going to use that to bronze up and warm up the skin a little bit more. I think I'm going to use this brush. This is the multi-purpose brush from Walmart. It's that Equate brand. These are actually pretty decent brushes for the price. It's really not bad at all. I feel like bronzers is the one thing that the drugstore lags on. They don't have a lot of bronzers to choose from, and the ones that they do have are either like too orange or too pink. They're just not bronzers that I like. I'm going to hollow out my cheekbones first using my Kokie Cosmetics contour palette. I like to use the darkest shades right here. And make sure that we blend everything so it doesn't look so harsh. For my blush, I'm going to go in with the Essence Satin Blush in Satin Love. This is such a pretty, like a soft mauvey pink blush, but it has a little bit of like peachiness to it, which is why I like it so much. You guys know that I usually don't like pink blushes. I don't feel like they go with my skin, and peach goes well with my skin, so you gotta work with what you got. For my eyeshadow, I recently got a PR package from Rimmel London, and they sent me this. It comes with all of their new little like eyeshadow palettes, and it's so cool. Look at this. Oh. So it comes with all of these. Do you guys see them? Yeah, I don't know which one I'm going to use today. This one is kind of calling my name. This is the Electric Violet edition, which is this palette right here. It looks really pretty. But then the Jewel Rocks edition looks also really pretty. I already have this one, so I'm not going to open this one. I'm actually going to add it to my little giveaway box that I have for you guys. I also have this one already, the Spice edition, which is a really, really, really pretty warm tone palette. And this is the Crimson edition, which is a really pretty pink one. I think I'm going to use this one because I haven't done a pink eyeshadow in a hot minute. You know, really quickly before I do that, I'm going to finish off my face by applying some highlight. If I can find my highlighting brush. Oh, here it is. I'm going to take my LA Girl little Reverie, I don't know what this thing is called, but it's this palette. I'm telling you guys, you need to jump on this because this stuff is amazing. I like to mix this one, and this one. I haven't done a reverse smoky eye in such a long time. It's been, I don't even know, it's been months, maybe even a year. So I think I'm going to go for a reverse smoky eye. It's very simple, but so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids. I'm going to use my Kokie Cosmetics little concealer. I am going to go in with the Crimson Edition palette by Rimmel London. And let's take this first shade right here, which is this really pretty like pale pink. This is going to be a transitional shade for us. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pack it on to the inner. Ooh. Okay, Rimmel. I really didn't think that was going to be pigmented. I've tried their palettes before and they haven't been the best, but I haven't tried them in so long. They've stepped up their game. When doing a reverse smoky eye, you mainly want to focus the color on the inner corner, which hence reverse smoky eye. And you don't want to bring it up too far out. You really just, again, want to concentrate everything right here on the inner corner of your eye. And I just scratched myself and I poked myself. The next shade I'm going to go in with is this one right here, which is more of a deeper berry. It's a hot pink, but it's a little bit deeper, and I'm going to apply that into the same place just to create a little bit more of a definition. Oh my god, you guys, I am really impressed with this Rimmel London palette. Look at that pigment. That is insane, and I like that when you blend it out, you're not losing the pigmentation. There's hardly ever any kick up, so I am living for this palette right now. So I'm actually going to use this little brush because it is super thin. Do you guys see that? I am going to take, I think I'm going to take this one first because I want to add a little bit more definition into the eyes now. So I'm going to pick up that shade and I'm going to mainly concentrate it down here. I'm not going to worry about bringing it up too much. Okay, now that we have pretty much the eyes done, what I'm going to do next is do a wing liner. Anytime I do a reverse wing or a reverse eye, I really like to do an intense eyeliner because it just goes with the look. Since all of this is bare, you still want to bring some sort of attraction to the eyes. So I'm going to use my NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. And I can't talk when I do my eyeliner. I must concentrate, so I'm going to just let you watch this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into that same palette and work on the lower lash line. My eyeliner is done and then I will pop on some lashes. I think I'm going to use some lashes from my Hermosa collection. I don't have any drugstore lashes and those are pretty affordable, so just so you know, that's what I'm going to use. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to take this J.Cat, I think it's a pressed pigment, yep, a chromatic pigment. This is in the shade Venus DeMilo, and it's a really pretty, like a rose gold color. I don't know, but I'm just going to add that onto the inner corners of my eyes. They are so pretty. I am going to finish off this look by applying my lipstick. I'm going to go in first with my lip liner by Italia. Oh, I love this lipstick. It is so pretty, so creamy. And then I am going to use a gloss to make everything a little bit more pink. I just noticed that I'm using a few Rimmel London products. This one obviously is the Rimmel London Kate lipstick. And I'm going to try this Stay Glossy Rimmel London lip gloss in Sunday Best. It's a really pretty, like, soft pink. I don't know how this is going to look on me, but hopefully it looks good. Okay. I thought it was gonna be like a super baby pink, but there's really not much color to it. Finally, my hair is done. Makeup is done. I changed my shirt. Nails are popping. We are looking cute. And this is all Drugstore. Can you guys believe that? This is the end for me, you guys. I don't think I have anything else to say except I love you so much. Thank you guys for all the constant love and support that you guys show me. Thank you for getting ready with me. As always, leave me your video suggestions in the comment section down below. And I will see you on my next video. Mwah! Bye!